If equipped, the tire service kit is located under the passenger seat. This kit will provide a temporary tire seal, allowing you to drive your vehicle up to 100 miles or 160 kilometers with a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour or 80 kilometers per hour. Remember that roadside assistance may be available. Consult your owner's information for details. If you do experience a flat tire, pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights. Position the tire that needs inflating so that the valve stem is located near the ground. This will allow the tire service kit hose to reach the valve stem with the tire service kit flat on the ground. Place the transmission in park, turn off the ignition, and set the parking brake. Place the tire service kit on the ground next to the flat tire. Remove the cap from the fitting at the end of the hose. Remove the valve stem cap and screw the clear flexible filling tube to the tire valve. Insert the power plug into the vehicle's power outlet socket. Start the vehicle again. Push the tire service kit power button to the I position. The electric compressor will turn on and sealant and air will inflate the tire. Minimum 26 psi or 1.8 bar of pressure should be reached within 20 minutes. If the pressure has not been reached, turn off and remove the tire service kit. Drive the vehicle 30 feet or 10 meters back and forth to better distribute the sealant inside the tire. Attach the clear flexible filling tube of the compressor directly to the tire valve and repeat the inflation process. When the correct pressure has been reached, start driving the vehicle to uniformly distribute the sealant inside the tire. After 10 minutes, stop and check the tire pressure. If the pressure is below 19 psi or 1.3 bar, do not drive the vehicle, as the tire is too damaged. Contact the nearest authorized dealer. If the pressure is at 19 psi or 1.3 bar or above, repeat the inflation process to reach the correct tire pressure and continue driving. Peel off the warning label from the bottle and place it on the dashboard as a reminder to the driver that the tire has been treated with the tire service kit. Replace the sealant canister prior to the expiration date at an authorized dealer. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.